Brandon Flaherty, MarineMax Fort Myers. Today I'm going to show you around a 2019 55 Galeon Fly named Great Escape. Come on aboard, I'll show you around. As you come up on the aft deck area, have a nice large seating area, table that folds out, great place for dining, entertaining. A lot of upgrades on this boat. The owner specifically ordered this boat with the colors that you'll see within, as well as added a lot of extra equipment on the boat. On the aft deck here, he added all new lighting in the ceilings, multicolored. You have JL speakers, that's an upgrade for this boat as well. And then a really unique entry on this boat going in that brings the inside to out and vice versa. I'll show you how that works. You open your Salon door here, and then you slide this guy down, opens back and through to the side. Now this is all open now into your galley area, salon area, so great entertaining. As you come inside the boat, you have two refrigerator units in the cabinetry here on your starboard side. Also very neat, he did multiple underwater lights on the sides as well as a transom Lumishore. They're multicolored lights. That's a very expensive upgrade he added to the boat. Then over on your port side, your galley area, another high-low refrigerator, lots of cabinetry throughout, Kenyan cooktop, microwave convection oven. Beautiful white countertops, accents very well with the beech wood, which is a gray style wood that they used on the boat. In your galley and upper salon area, you have wood flooring. Also works out really well for entertaining and not getting traffic patterns and carpeting. There is carpeting as well that goes over the top of it. The owner just does not use it. Then you have a high-low table here in our upper salon. If you put it down in a low position, there's a filler pad that goes through, so it turns into a really nice lounging area if you wanted to use it for that. Over on our starboard side, we have a pop-up TV that comes out of the cabinetry up. There's a Italian high-definition satellite on the boat, so that gets direct TV service into the boat. So all your staterooms have their own satellite receivers, as well as the HD connectivity and really nice AV system. Forward, you have your helm area. Have a double helm seat, which is very nice and comfortable. You have dual Raymarine glass screen chart plotters. There's digital switching within both plotters that allows you to turn on and off equipment throughout the boat. You have autopilot. You have your Volvo monitoring for your main engines. You have a Seakeeper display over here. The boat is gyro stabilized by a Seakeeper that limits your rocking from side to side. Very expensive option on this boat. You have a chain counter. This is an option that the owner added to the boat. You have one at the Flybridge station as well as down here. This here allows you to put the anchor out from here as well as bring it in and see how much chain you have out or how much you have left as you're bringing it in. Over on our starboard bulkhead here, we have two Raymarine VHF Radios. That's an upgrade that the owner added, as well as a satellite telephone, which is an addition the owner added to the boat. Another option, Yacht Controller. This here allows you to handle the boat wirelessly from anywhere around the boat. It has your bow, stern thruster, both engines, shifting, and anchor capabilities from this remote. So that's a very nice, expensive option that he added to the boat. So if you're looking to be an owner-operator, that's a very good thing to have. Now we'll move down to the master stateroom. Nice foyer area as you come down. Allows a lot of light into the area. Full beam master. Large hull side windows, port and starboard. On the port side, you have a nice vanity area here. Has a makeup cabinet, as well as a mirror with storage. Hanging locker on your starboard side, as well as cabinetry aft of the hanging locker. And then on your forward bulkhead in the stateroom, you have a built-in television. Has its own satellite receiver. And then again on your vanity area, this opens up, nice settee. So, very well arranged. And then you have your head within the master stateroom. Very well laid out. Whole side window within the head. Nice tile work. Within the shower you have a rain head. Also, you have an all-in-one washer-dryer unit across from the master head. That way you can do laundry as you're cruising. Forward, you have a VIP stateroom. Very nice stateroom. Very unique skylights through the ceiling of the stateroom and large hull-side windows, port and starboard. Now you have your guest bathroom. You do have access from your VIP stateroom directly into the bath. This bath is shared with the starboard guest stateroom. Nice tile work, rain head in the shower. And then your starboard guest stateroom. Twin beds. They have a TV on their forward bulkhead as well with its own satellite receiver. And a nice hanging locker for their clothes. Now on the Flybridge at the upper helm station. Nice double helm seat here. Raymarine plotter, glass screen just as you have downstairs. Have your chain counter as we do downstairs. Volvo engine display, autopilot, thruster controls, engine controls. You have your dual VHFs. Very nice lounging area here to the starboard and in front of the helm station. Great area to hang out while you're cruising. Then aft of the helm, you have a nice lounging area. Wet bar. Within the wet bar, you have an ice maker and a refrigerator and a Kenyan grill. Ample seating up here and dining area. Also custom multicolored lighting in the ceiling of the hardtop, as well as your JL speakers and a JL sub for the area. Now I'll take you to the bow of the boat. One thing to notice on the way up is the width of the walkways going forward. This makes it very easy to move around when you're owner operating. Fantastic area up here. Your sun pads will fold up, make loungers. Also, another option that you don't see on any of the other ones that I know of is a sunshade. So you have 4 poles that go in here. This is all done custom by the owner. Nice big sunshade that goes over. Due to the winds today, we've not put that up, but we will have pictures of that in the listing. Another feature on the boat the owner had done is the entire boat was ceramic coated. So that's a very expensive option that he added that'll make the exterior finish of the boat very nice for years to come. Now we're in the cockpit area. So you have a Walker Bay tender and a hydraulic platform. So this platform will go down into the water, as well as these steps here will turn into a staircase as the platform goes down. That's nice for multiple reasons. One reason, it makes it easier to get the tender off. Another reason is when it's off, it allows you to get down to the swim deck very easily without having to jump onto it. Very large tender for a vessel of this size, very heavy capacity. And then all the way over on our starboard side, there's a door here that opens up, and that goes down into your crew quarters. Also have engine room access this way, air conditioned, and they have their own head. I'll put some pictures of this area online with the listing. Thanks for going around with me today. Once again, Brandon Flaherty, MarineMax Fort Myers. If you need to contact me, call me on my cell phone or text me, 954-816-0171. Thank you.